To create our fintech website in Stitch, the first thing we need to do is we need to go to Cloud AI to copy our prompt. So without further ado, I'm going to copy the prompt. Then also I'm going to send this to our YouTube description where you can copy it as well. I'm going to copy it here. Then I'm going to paste the prompt here. So once I paste the prompt here, I'm going to select mobile app since it's a mobile app. Then I'm going to also come and check this to confirm if it's this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on send or generate. So as you can see here, it has started to work, and if I zoom in to this, you can see it has created a brand style guide, and I love the way it usually, the agents go to work. So I'm going to let it do its thing, and once it's done, I'm going to show you what it is. But I wish I could show you guys how this thing builds the whole thing, but it's going to waste your time. So let's wait to see it. Okay, now it's done and it has created all our screens. So let us preview them. If you come in here, you can see that you can send money to different persons here, and you can see that this is a review page. Then this is PayFlow. This is the home page in itself. This is the send page. This is card page. This is actually nines, like nines. So the more I prompt this thing for better result, the more it keeps getting better at this. So you can check our previous videos to see what we've done in the past. So now you may be asking, okay, can I take this thing to Figma? And it is a yes. So let me show you how to. So to export to Figma, you select everything, then minus this, then you click on export, and you come down to Figma here, then you click on convert. Then once it converts, you click on copy. Then once it copies, all you just need to do is go to your Figma file, right click and paste, and you have your design files here, and you can edit, take everything you need. Like for example, if I want to remove this section, I can actually take this section out, paste it here. Sorry, it didn't come out very well. Let me bring it very out. Yes, you can take this file, and everything is editable real time. It's even on auto layout, and you can even take this. If you don't want to build with this, you can take this section. If you're missing any section, you feel like, okay, you need a card section, you need a other section. As a UI designer, use this as your how do I call it, your high fidelity not prototype, I will call it wireframe. You get, because it gives you an idea, because your design may not be this, your brand identity may not be this, which you can still upload right on cloud, and it's going to still give you the same results on Google Stitch. So the next thing you might be asking, can we prototype this? Yes, we can actually prototype this. Say we are not prototyping the one on Figma, we want to prototype this one. So you can come down here, and as you can see here, generate. We have instant prototype, and if you come here too, we have it as well, but preferably we're going to use this. Then we're going to click on instant prototype. So immediately it's done prototyping, you can cancel this, and as you can see here, we have this. Isn't this beautiful? And you can send, and this is going to the pages that it has created so far. If there's any page that is missing, you can always come down here to add a new page. Then you can also change orientation. So take for example, now this is a tablet, it changes it to a tablet. If this is a web, it changes it to a web. So it is that crazy seamless to get your app idea to where you want it to be. So, and like I said, inspiration. So if I click on card, it actually takes me to card, and if you notice, it switches screen here. If I click on analytics, it takes me to analytics. If I click on profile, it takes me to my profile page. Then if I click back to home again, I come back to home. So I can come back to settings and send money and see everything here. So the hover effect, everything, you can use that in Figma to, like, when some Figma designers are designing, they don't even put hover states and some certain states, right? So this can even show you how some certain states would look like when you're hovering. So this is dark mode, and you can even prompt it to give you a light mode. So if we go back, we can see other things, and yeah, it actually goes down if you come down to see every other thing that is here. So this is actually very, very, very nice, and with this you can have a head start with your app. Also, you can also share this prototype with people, share it as a QR code, share it in another tab, or open it, or obviously share it out to other persons, so that you can have an inspiration of, oh, this is what our app probably be, or you as a founder can also use it to have your own idea on what to build, how to build it, and take it to the very next step in order to make your idea come to life. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next